Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video about Civio, which is our citizen request management software developed here by our experts and built on the Microsoft Power Platform. So if you haven't had the chance yet to check out the introductory video about Civio and how it works when it comes to managing citizen requests, please go ahead and check it out. The link will be in the description below. For today's video, I wanted to touch about everything related to the security roles and roles in general in the Civio platform. So adding or removing user roles guarantees security as access to information, especially if people need only specific information or if you've got sensitive information that you do not need to share with a lot of people. So today we're going to look at how we can add new users or even remove people, and then that is how we are going to control the security aspect of the platform. Now, it's also important to note that only administrators or super users can make these changes when it comes to roles. So if you want to implement those changes, you will need to be one of those people. Now, the roles in the system, again, if you haven't checked out the first video, please make sure to check that out because I go deeper into the different roles that are in the system. But basically, we have obviously the first line agents, all the 311 agents. We've also got the managers, we've got people whose roles or responsibilities are now changing in the public sector. Maybe they're moving to other departments. There's a lot of stuff that happen that can make you want to control that role and that security aspect of your software, especially when it comes to managing citizen requests. So first, we're going to look at how you can manage the role of a specific user in Civio. You're going to click on the settings up here, then you're going to click on advanced settings, and in the advanced settings under system, you're going to click on security preview as you can see, and we're going to click on users. Now, if you are again a super user or the administrator, you will be able to have access to that. Otherwise, you cannot do those changes. So here it will give you a list of all of your users in the Civio platform. If you want to search for a specific user, you can use the search bar up here. Let's say we are going to select this one, and you will see once you've selected this user, you will have the option to manage security roles up here. And if you click on that, you will have all of the roles that actually currently exist when it comes to your department. So based on that, you will be then able to select the role that you want to give to that user specifically. And based on that role, that user will then have access to the different roles and responsibilities and information that is required to fulfill the job. So for this one, as you can see, we already have the role here. So if you had to choose something else, you can go down in this list. You will see there's a lot of different roles that you can choose. And once you've done that, you can click on save here and everything will be added to that specific user. So that is very quick and very easy and straightforward and how you can determine the role of a specific user in Civio. Now, adding and removing members. When it comes to team members, so you want to also have a certain control on that because there are certain citizen requests that can be attributed to second line agents based on predefined rules. So these are the information or the requests that you would want only the second line agents to have access to. It is very important then for you to have established the correct team so that they can collaborate fully when it comes to managing and resolving citizen requests. So how are we going to do that? So you will do the same step that we did before. So you go into the settings, come into the advanced settings. Under the system, we're going to click on security preview and we will click on teams here. And what this will do is this will open the list of all the teams that you have here. Now, in this drop down menu here, you will see we have owner that you will need to select, and it will give you the different owner based on the different teams. Okay, so once you've selected one of them here, you will then have the option to click on it. And this will open this other window here where you will see on your right, you will have the option add existing user. So yes, you will need to have an existing user already in the software or in the platform so that you can add it to a team here. So always make sure that you have the user profile created. So you can go ahead and click on add existing user, and this will open up this small lookup here where you can click on the magnifying glass, and you can go ahead and select the person that you want to add into the team, or you can also write down the name here for ease. And once you've done that, you will click on add and click on OK. And once that person has been added to the specific team, you can then go ahead, click on save and close, and there you have it. That person has been added to that specific team, which means that now that person, they have access to all the information and the requests and everything that team has access to, they will also have access to now. So this was a very general video on how the security aspects work in Civio. If you've used Microsoft Dynamics 365 in the past, you will see it's very similar to the same platform, so it's very easy for you. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time.